visited a few plastic manufacturers, chemical plants, and wastewater sites this week. Do you have something you would like to share?
So Aliyah, this was a busy week and I got a chance to visit lots of plants, but one thing struck me about our V-cone meter installation. So we recently installed one V-cone meter and commissioned, so we went for commissioning. So the meter was installed vertically. That's an ideal choice. But in V-cone, there are two sides, a high side, high pressure side, and low pressure side. And same goes with the differential pressure transmitter. So the right installation should be your high pressure side should connect to high side of the pressure transmitter and low side should connect to the low side of the pressure transmitter in order to get accurate measurement. So if you reverse it, there'll be negative reading.